Hi all, this is Gokul from Bangalore. The video which you are about to see is the icebreaker speech which I gave on Toastmaster in my journey towards public speaking. For people who are not aware of what Toastmaster is, it is a supportive and collaborative learning platform for public speaking, and this club helps in improving both the public speaking and leadership skills. Soon after the video, I had added the evaluation feedbacks which I got from my club members, and also I had shared few tips which will be helpful for people who are about to do their icebreaker speech. In the beginning, when I thought of what to talk in icebreaker speech, I was searching for what actually is icebreaker. Then I ended up doing that itself as a topic. I explained this in the club meeting, but unfortunately that part was not recorded, so I wanted to mention it here. Let's go to the video.
And I choose that as a topic. So, welcome, fellow Toastmasters, to my icebreaker speech on icebreakers. First thing which I was curious about was why the term icebreaker? Where it came from? Any guesses?
Break the ice.
Yeah.
Room is cold.
So it is just an idiom which is referencing to a ship in 18th century. These ships are used in the Arctic region of our Earth to explore the region. In Arctic region, it was all filled with huge blocks of ice, making it difficult for any normal ship to cross through. Because these ships, with a strengthened hull and a powerful engine, which will move forward in the first and breaks the ice into smaller pieces, allowing it to pass through, and also allowing all the other ships to pass through easily. And you can relate now to the term icebreaker. But there are few instances even before 18th century in few literatures, one or two places, this idiom is being used. So the origin of this term is still under discussion. All these are gathered from all around the internet and mainly from a website called knowyourface.com. But in my speech here, I would like to relate it to engineering terms. Icebreaker is related to time t equal to 0. Because we know whatever happened before that is either irrelevant or is of less importance. Let me start with time t lesser than 0. When I was in my school and college days, I had always admired people who were good in dancing, singing, public speaking, and taking up new initiatives and standing apart from the crowd. I just admired, and I still regret that I didn't try out those many stuffs at that point of time. It's just not me. It happens with every one of us here. Even we would have faced the situation. Mainly when we are trying to connect to people or making friends and even in relationships. How many of us would have faced the situation where a stranger will be sitting right next to us, our heart will be saying, just say a hi and start a conversation and see where it goes. But you would have also noticed as time goes on and on, it actually gets tougher and tougher. Because all that matters is that first word. There is a saying, first word floodgates. Because all that matters is the first word. Once you spill out the first word, everything else just flows. Same concept with icebreakers. It's not just us again. You can find n number of examples in all over the history or epics. There are a lot of examples, but due to time constraint, I just took out one example from history, Indian history, where when British tried to colonize India, all that needed was just one icebreaker act from a powerful king, categorically opposing him, and everyone else would have followed it, and things would have been a lot more better. All these are with reference to time t lesser than 0. Let us go to the positive side. Time t greater than 0. Taking the same example from Indian history, we all know the first war of independence. The soldier, great Mangal Pandey, he broke the ice, started the battle with just himself and his own rifle in panache. And we all know what happened in the upcoming 90 years, how it triggered the battle and paving the way for our independence. Coming back to me, even though I didn't try out dance, in my school and college years. Before a year, I don't know how many of you are aware of this cult fit. I joined this cult fit for Zumba, which is related to dance, but again with fitness. And for last 1 year, I am continuing. I am good to say that. And the public speaking. Here I am giving my icebreaker speech, breaking the long-standing ice. So if you see, this icebreaker action or a talk is bound to happen anyway. All that matters is when the time t equal to 0 happens. Business understands it very well. You would have all used Ola, Uber with its first ride free. You would have used Paytm, Google Pay with the first transaction with cashback. You would have all, even for me, the first class in Zumba in Culfit was a free one. Because they all know once they break that ice and makes you comfortable with that product, you can't stop with it. You just go forward, and that is the advantage of this icebreaker. And they know how advantageous it is to pull the time t equal to 0 to closest. And I'm using the same strategy here, giving my icebreaker speech on the first possible session as an official Toastmaster member. Last time I was not allowed to talk because of the election. So, yeah. And I was talking to Amit Shali regarding the structure of the speech. He's not here, but he told that there should be a start, a body, and a conclusion. But in the first speech, I differ from the truth. There won't be any conclusion here because icebreaker is all about beginning.
I believe you would have liked the speech. I will be posting more videos as I do more talks in the Toastmaster. So please consider subscribing it to stay as part of my Toastmaster journey. This section I added so that people who are about to give their icebreaker speech can get some benefit out of it. First of all, when it comes to icebreaker speech, there is nothing much to think about it. You can just go for it without delaying it further. It is just about opening up, and Toastmaster is always encouraging to do it that way. And when it comes to topic, it is all about introducing yourself to the club. So please feel free to talk about yourself, your skills, strength and weakness, so that people can relate to you better. But there is one key here: practicing. I faced this issue. Though the content was written by me, when I tried to talk it out, I was not getting any words, and even I was forgetting my first or second sentence itself. That is when I realized by doing some 3 to 4 times of practice before the speech, I was able to deliver it a little bit in a better way than in the practice sessions. So practicing is the key. Go for it. Practice some 3 to 4 times before the speech and you will be all good to it. Following are the evaluation speeches which I got from my club members. Kindly post your feedbacks and suggestions so that I can improve on my public speaking journey too.